Welcome to FinMet Mondays, your number one podcast for all things gold.
A very good morning to all of our listeners, and thank you so much for tuning in to episode 3 of FinMet Mondays. Sunil, a very warm welcome to you as well. New year, new episode. The last time we spoke, we were both very bullish on gold markets. You from a fundamental standpoint, and me from a technical standpoint. And the markets have very much played to that expectation that both of us had. So, my question is, how much money have you made over the last few months, Sunil?
Happy New Year, Sean, and good morning. Happy Monday. Um, I would love to have made money. Unfortunately, I have not. I don't really uh, invest in gold directly, but I must say several of my friends have were asking me my view when gold was about $1,700, and I told them that they should buy, and they're definitely smiling. But actually, it leaves me with a predicament because now they're asking me whether they should take profit or they should carry on holding it, which is now I think we're in a much more challenging environment in terms of figuring out the direction of gold.
I think the direction of gold is very clear. It is very much largely bullish in the markets, but I would have to say that there are a lot of roadblocks definitely for the metal to eventually reach there. Do you agree with that? I think, and maybe my question to you would be, what do you think are the possible barriers to gold's further upside movement?
I think we've seen a huge run up, and obviously you do have a situation where there'll be a bunch of people who will be taking profit. So you may see some amount of leveling off. The real reason why gold has moved up is predominantly, I think, because of dollar weakness as well as greater risk appetite. And I think that's because people are reading too much into the declining inflation numbers and expecting the Fed to soften. The coming week is going to see some amount of Fed statements or next couple of weeks, and that may, I think, set the direction for gold going forward. I expect the Fed to be more hawkish in their statements. That will impact dollar because the dollar will become stronger, and then I think gold will pull off from that. But by that time, gold may have reached 1950 kind of levels.
Well, thanks, Sunil. Thank you so much for joining, and see you next Monday.
Thank you.